Equivalent fractions are fractions that are equal to one another but use different numbers. 2/3 and 8/12 are equivalent fractions. They're equal in value but use different numbers. To make them, you just need to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of your fraction by the same number. For instance, to create an equivalent fraction of 1/4, I can multiply the top and bottom of the fraction by any number I want, such as 8. If I multiply each side by 8, I get 8/32, and that's an equivalent fraction to 1/4. I could also divide each side of the fraction by the same number. For example, if I had 10/15, I could divide each side of the fraction by 5, and that would give me 2/3. And that is a quick recap on how to make equivalent fractions.